Hey, listen up. Stop scrolling for a second. Let's talk about something that's probably been sitting heavy on your mind. Money. Not just money, but the freedom it brings. Imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing your bills are paid, your dreams are funded, and your stress about finance gone. Sounds unreal, right? But it's not. It's a mindset, a plan, and a few shifts away. Today I am not going to sell you a dream. I am giving you the blueprint. By the end of this video, you will know the exact steps to start walking your path toward financial freedom in 2025. Let's break the cycle together. Phase 1. Reprogram your mindset. First thing first, it's all in your head. No, seriously, the biggest block to financial freedom isn't your job, your education, or even your bank account. It's your mindset. Most of us are stuck in this on, spend, repeat loop because we have been programmed to think small. You have heard it before. Work hard, retire at 65, and then enjoy life. But why? Who said you can't enjoy life now while building a secure future? Start asking yourself better questions. Instead of how do I save more, ask how do I earn more without trading all my time for it. Instead of can I afford this, ask does this align with my long-term goals? Write these questions down. Reflect on them daily. These mental shifts are the foundation for everything we are about to discuss. Phase 2. Cut the fluff. Let's get real. Most of us are leaking money. Think about it. That gym membership you haven't used twice this year. The streaming service you barely watch. The daily coffee runs. These things add up. But here is the kicker. It's not just about saving money. It's about redirecting it to where it actually matters. Take an hour, just 1 hour, to review your expenses. Look for those silent money leaks. Cancel subscriptions you don't need. Start meal prepping, not because it's trendy, but because it saves money and time. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. Think of it like this. Every unnecessary expenses is stealing from the version of you who could be financially free. Are you going to let that happen? Phase 3. Invest smart, not hard. Here is the secret that schools never taught us. The power of investing. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Start small. Even $50 a month can turn into something big if you give it time. Let's talk about the basics. Index funds and ETFs, these are your best friends. They are low cost, diversified, and over time, they outperform most actively managed funds. High yielding savings account. They won't make you rich, but they are perfect to your emergency fund. And don't forget about compounding. It's literally earning money on your money. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them consistently, give them sunlight, and let time do the rest. The earlier you start, the bigger the tree grows. Real estate investing is another powerful tool. You don't need to buy a mansion. Start with something small, like a rental property or even REITs, and consider peer-to-peer lending or dividend-paying stocks as additional option. Diversify your investments to reduce risks. Phase 4. Skill up and diversify. Financial freedom isn't just about cutting costs or investing. It's also about growing your income. And the best way to do that, learn a high income skill. I'm talking about skills like copywriting, video editing, coding, graphic design, or even social media management. They are in demand skills that can open up doors you didn't even know existed. Take 20 minutes a day, that's it, and dedicate it to learning something new. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or Udemy are gold mines for affordable or even free education. And don't just learn, apply. Start freelancing, take on small gigs, or collaborate with friends. The goal here isn't just to earn money, it's to create multiple streams of income. Why? Because relying on one income source is risky. Diversify and you are not just building wealth, you are securing it. Phase 5. Leverage technology and automation. We live in the golden age of technology. Use it to your advantage. Budgeting app like Mint or Wine app can help you track every penny. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment can automate your investing. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find freelance gigs. Automation isn't just about saving time. It's about eliminating human errors and sticking to your plan. Set up automatic transfers to your saving and investment account. Schedule reminders for bills payment. Every tool you use frees up mental energy so you can focus on scaling your income and building wealth. Phase 6. Build and leverage your network. Here is the truth not enough people talks about. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and hold you accountable. Join online communities focused on personal finance, entrepreneurships, or investing. Attend networking events or even local meetups. Collaborations can accelerate your growth in a way you can't do alone. Partner with someone for a side hustles. Share ideas, exchange skills. Building genuine relationships isn't just good for your soul, it's good for your bank account. Phase 7. Stay consistent and patient. Here is the part nobody wants to hear. It's not going to happen overnight, but consistency beats intensity every time. Think of it like working out. You don't get fit by doing 500 push-ups in one day. You get fit by doing 20 push-ups every day. The same applies to your finance. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, save your first $1,000, celebrate it, invest in your first ETF, celebrate it. This little milestone keep you motivated and show you that progress is happening. And remember, every big win starts with the tiny decisions. Take that decision today. Listen, 2025 can be the year everything changes for you, or it can be just another year. The choice, it's yours. But if you are ready to take that first steps toward financial freedom, hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs it. And hey, I will be here walking this journey with you. Let's make it happen.